Let's talk about the concept of the extended enterprise. I don't think most people actually think about it. Engineers engineer the product going to be made for the company. Purchasing people go buy the parts necessary, and the local manufacturing group manufactured for them. But who manufactures those parts that purchasing just bought? Are those parts any good? What's your incoming quality system like? Incoming quality can't pick everything. Is your supplier as sophisticated as you are? And is that supplier able to constantly reduce cost and improve quality on a regular basis? Again, I'm from the auto industry, so I go back to something Toyota did. They sent a group of people who would go factory to factory to factory, helping those factories improve their cost and quality to Toyota standards so that Toyota overall benefited, even though they were paying for the consulting team, so to speak, that went factory to factory to factory of their suppliers. The extended enterprise is critical. Every part that goes into your product is yours, even though it might have been built by somebody else.